Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use out-of-range assistance feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the navigation button right here at the left side of the screen. This is the navigation button. If you tap the navigation button, you will open the navigation app. So of course you can use here the navigation, but you can also customize some settings. You can choose some preferences. So let me do it that way. Let's open the settings. The settings icon is right here at the top of the screen. This is this gear icon. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the navigation settings that you can change. Here let's choose the second section, which is routing preferences. Let's just tap it, routing preferences, and as you can see here you've got this out of range assistance. You can enable or disable this feature just by using this switcher, and I of course recommend to have this feature enabled. Why? Because if you enter a destination that is further than your current battery can reach, the car will automatically alert to you and suggest charging station along the way. So that way you will be sure that you have enough power, enough energy to go to your destination. So let's keep this feature enabled just for your safety, just for your convenience. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.